Hello all, welcome to the channel. It is CPM Trains, and I'll be talking about HS1. HS1 is Britain's one true high-speed railway. It connects London to Europe, races through Kent countryside, and once hailed as a new transportation power. But today HS1 stands both a success story and a warning of how politics, short-term thinking, and lost ambition stopped the UK from building the connected rail future it once promised and wants its potential. HS1 proves that two countries can form to build an outstanding and magnificent railway. HS1 was a masterpiece of British engineering. 108 kilometers of track, 2 Thames tunnels, 1 big channel tunnel, 2 sweeping midway viaducts, all built to speeds up to 186 miles per hour. At its crown, St Pancras International was derelict. It was not to be used. It was abandoned, almost like Marylebone. But because of the HS1 project, the Victorian icon turned modern gateway into Europe. Instead of plans to destroy such a good Victorian architecture, it has now been repurposed as a gateway into Europe. Trains now sped from central London to Paris in just over 2 hours. But while HS1 links Britain to Europe, it never really linked to Britain itself. Which makes sense because HS1 trains were not fit for Britain's loading gauge. Only Eurostars, the early Eurostars, were used to get from Paris to London Waterloo via Falcon Junction using the existing British loading gauges. However, this caused massive delays, massive overruns, and rail track during this time was going through turbulent times and through the transition to become network rail on top of that.